All right, we want to take a minute now and talk about something you may have seen on social media lately. It's in a lot of people's feeds, and it says a new Supreme Court ruling removed your right to remain silent.
So our Verified team went digging to find out if Miranda rights are no longer required.
You have the right to remain silent, you understand that?
Yes.
Okay. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law, you understand that?
Yes.
This is the first half of a phrase used by police known as a Miranda warning, a constitutional requirement established in the 1966 Supreme Court decision on Miranda v. Arizona that says an individual cannot be questioned by police without first being notified of their right to remain silent and their right to an attorney, rights guaranteed by the Fifth and Sixth Amendments. On June 23rd, the Supreme Court issued a decision on Vega v. Teco, dealing with protections against self-incrimination and the Miranda rights. Following the decision, someone on TikTok asked us, did SCOTUS effectively cancel the requirement to be read Miranda rights? So let's verify. Did the Supreme Court end the Miranda rights requirement? Our sources are U.S. Supreme Court rulings, Vega v. Teco and Miranda v. Arizona. MirandaRights.org and David Jaros, professor of law at the University of Baltimore's Center for Criminal Justice Reform. The Vega ruling does not change whether a law enforcement officer is required to read someone their Miranda rights. If a law enforcement officer does not read someone their Miranda rights and the person arrested says something self-incriminating, it would not be allowed to be used in court. What the ruling actually does is limit citizens' ability to sue law enforcement if they fail to read the Miranda warning at the time of questioning and then later use that evidence in court. So we can verify, no, the Supreme Court did not end the Miranda rights requirement. Law professor David Jaros says the Vega ruling did not remove a person's constitutional right under the Fifth Amendment to protect themselves from self-incrimination either. So if you're being arrested, just remember.
You absolutely still have a right to remain silent. That nothing has changed about that. And the police are still obligated to read you your rights. And if they fail to, the proper remedy for that is that that statement should not be available to be used against you.
With your Verify, I'm Ariane Till.